continue on to the video, just need to be able to take a few seconds of your time. And so we want to be able to ask you a question. Are you looking to gain more referrals for your agency, your home health, your home care, your hospice agency? We want you to be able to join us at our online marketing bootcamp that has over 7.5 hours of training. When you actually watch our bootcamp and join our online marketing bootcamp training, you're going to get a free month access to our 10xpatientreferrals.com. So sign up for a limited time at 10xpatientreferrals.com and enjoy all the content. So let's go ahead and get back to the video that you're currently watching. It's Michael here with HomeHealthSuccessAcademy.com and 10xpatientreferrals.com. And in this video, we're going to share with you guys how to pay your marketers, right? Or what are some mistakes that you made or other agencies have made, I have made when I paid my marketers. So I want to be able to share that with you guys so that you guys can actually not really lose a lot of money, especially if you get the wrong marketers, right? So the first one is, the first really thing is a big no-no, and that is paying per referral. You guys need to avoid this type of stuff. And it actually works for both home health and home care. Stop paying per referral. And the reason for that is for home health, medical home health, this can put you in a bad seat in regards for, committing something illegal, right? So you don't want to pay per referral. You need to be able to make sure that whoever your marketer is, they're actually on board as a staff, meaning they actually work for you. And I'm not even talking about the 1099 rule where they're actually what we call contract worker or contract status. You don't want that. Your marketers need to be an employee of your company. So you don't want to say, hey, I don't want to give them a base and they can't deliver, then I'm going to lose money, right? I understand that. It comes part of that where you may lose. But the thing though is, the reason why marketers don't do a good job because you didn't give them proper training. You didn't give them an agency solution. And so, number one, never ever pay for a referral. Number two is, you should actually do what they call a base salary, right? Because it's hard to get a marketer to come to you, to get a marketer to start working for you. You must provide them a base salary. If you're really just giving them bonuses, let's say you say, okay, we're paying you, literally paying you per patient, or we're gonna give you a bonus tier, but not give them a base. What if they don't start delivering within the first month? Nobody can work and not get paid, right? Unless, if you start what they call an internship program, and we actually have done that, where we brought in new business grads who had marketing degrees, and what we did was, okay, we want to be able to give you guys an opportunity, give you guys a way to learn sales, and they actually worked for us as an intern, but of course we provided them with cars, we paid for, the gas, all those things, but we taught them how to market, and actually started doing a lot of returns, and a lot of them stayed with us for a while, and some of them just left right away once they got their internship. So that's a way that you can technically get free, services. And we actually gave them bonuses. Every time that they got a patient referral, we actually hooked them up and gave them a bonus. But that's a way to handle that, is having an internship program. But if you're not or able to do something like that, then, you don't want to be able to pay per referral, but you want to create a base salary. Allows them to be able to have a suitable, pay that they can live a daily life, right? And want to keep on staying and working for you, okay? But with the base salary, you must be able to give them a target, meaning that there must be a minimum amount of referrals that they need to give. So when we hire a new marketer, we say, okay, within 5 weeks, you need to be able to at least produce one referral. And from then on, we need to start increasing. And we create that increment. But within 3 months, they must have a minimum average of 5 patients a month. By the third month, they must bring in 5 patients for that month, okay, for them to be able to keep their job. Okay, so that's what we want to be able to do, okay? Because you can't expect a new marketer to come work for you and then all of a sudden, guess what? They're not able to get paid, right? So you want to be able to give that. So base salary with a minimum, and then what you do next is this, is having a tier, meaning we do typically every 5, right? So after the, let's say the requirements for the base is to bring in 5 referrals a month, right? If they bring in then an extra 5, they get a bonus. If they bring in an extra 10, they get another bonus. If they bring in an extra 15, let's say, they get an extra bonus. So we create a tier process to be able to make sure that they're getting bonuses. But at the very same time, as you never want that every tier is the same thing. So you don't want to say after 5 more referrals, you get $1,000. After the 10, you get this. No, you want to be able to make sure that you maximize it. And the truth is this, we actually increase our potential, our potential bonuses for the marketers if they keep on going up. Because our goal is not to have them just think, I just need 10 and I'm happy, right? I had a marketer once and they were just happy bringing in $100,000 a year. And that was it for them. They didn't need to work extra hard to go to the next level. They were satisfied at 100,000. And so we had to understand that that's how he is, right? But if we wanted to expand, we knew that this person wasn't going to be part of our organization to expand. So we had to bring in another marketer to compete in that territory because we wanted more people in that territory to be referring to us. So, no pay for referrals. Make sure, okay, that you have a base with a minimum and then create a tier level. Another thing that we do for our non-medical private duty patients is that we tell the marketers, just to let you know, after your fifth referral, right, if you bring in more, we will actually give you a share of the profits. Meaning for every hour that we provide service for a particular person, you're going to get an extra 25 cents. So if somebody is being serviced for 100 hours a month, they got an additional, $25. But if, let's say, for example, we were able to bill 1,000 hours for them, for the patients that they brought in, that's an additional, $250 for them in a bonus every month, right? And they're always going to get that as long as they're providing and doing what they're supposed to be doing. So you can add tier bonuses, just make sure you pay attention. Also, just to let you guys know, number one is this: never, ever, ever hire one of those independent marketers. Because all they're going to do is take your patient from, once they get the bonus from you, they're going to move on to the next home health that they want to deal with, get the bonus from them, and then move on to the next one. They just bring the patients, not the referral sources. And lastly, what I want to be able to share with you guys is that you don't want to start your marketers by paying them too high. I've done that in the past. You look at the credentials and you say, oh my God, they have experience. And then all of a sudden what we do is this: we just offer them $65,000 and say you have to bring in a minimum of 10, 15. But then all of a sudden you start realizing they're not bringing that in. And then you wasted 3 months of salary because the first 3 months they were actually not able to convert and bring their old referral sources to your agency. And now you're going to be losing money. Marketing is 100% of your profit. But at the very same time, as you don't want your marketing to break the bank as well. You also want to make sure that what you're paying, who you're paying, is actually able to have an ROI. An ROI is a return on your investment. And the last thing you want to do is, yes, you're billing a lot of people, but then you're overshelling and paying too much for your marketers. It's not going to be a successful business for you guys. So one thing you guys have to pay attention is make sure that you also pay attention to how you pay your marketers, right? You want to be able to be competitive, to be able to have a good team to work for you, and you don't lose them to other agencies. But at the very same time, it's called pay for play, meaning show me that you can do what you're doing, right? I'm willing to give you money, give you these bonuses, so eventually, you're not making $35,000, you're making $100,000, you're making $150,000. I don't mind paying you that much and signing those checks if you are producing for my company. So if you're producing, of course I'm going to make sure you get paid. But if you're not producing, well, I'm not going to keep you in my company. And a lot of marketers, unfortunately, take advantage of owners who don't know any better about marketing. Like, there's a lot of owners out there who wants to hire a marketer who say they have experience. But then all of a sudden, yeah, they have experience, bad experience. And they really don't know what they're doing. And they're just moving from one agency to the next agency until people don't hire them anymore. So that's the thing, guys, is that you don't want to pay your marketers a large sum of money up front. Now, give them bonuses. Give them yearly bonuses. Do whichever, as long as it makes sense for you and your company, right? That's something that you guys want to be able to do. But also, when you have a great marketer, take good care of them. Take amazing care of them. I'm going to share with you guys a quick information, right? A great marketer that I know, and he started with our 10xpatientreferrals.com training. And we were doing one-on-one coaching with him as well. And he went from producing 6 average a month to all of a sudden producing about 25, 30 referrals. And then for some reason, the agency that he worked for got greedy. And the DON told the owner and said, hey, we don't need this guy anymore. Let's get rid of him. I'll handle his current referral sources, and they'll just keep on referring to us. And so they fired him, let him go. And they went and they thought that they can keep those referral sources. Of course, he ended up a job with another company that actually had better, better pay, better, better products, accepted more insurances. And so his skill level, which went up already as it is, allowed him to sell a product easier. And then he went after those referral sources that he used to have. And he did not do any negative marketing. He just said, hey, just to let you guys know, I'm moving my services to another company. If you want to come with me, transfer with me, please do. And 90% of them did because they trusted him, not just the company, they trusted him first because he was helping the referral sources. And so guess what? That other company went from the 100 something patients a month to less than 30 in less than 6 months. And that DON that worked for that company that convinced the owner to get rid of my friend, right? Person I was training, right? That person ended up leaving as well. And so that owner, the previous owner, is now begging him to keep on coming back. And he's like, no, you did me wrong once. Why would I do it again when you can do it again? She says, no, I won't do it. But that's the thing. You cannot be that negative person. So these are little things that you need to pay attention to when you're paying your marketers. Take care of your marketers, but don't let them take advantage of you. So once again, this is Michael. Just want to say one thing to you guys. Stop by 10xpatientreferrals.com if you have any questions. Always understand one thing. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. There's a bell down there below. Please click the bell because it's going to remind you every time we have new videos that are being uploaded. So once again, home health marketing is easy when you guys know what you're doing.
Hey everyone, we want to be able to invite you to our 10xpatientreferrals.com where we have our online home health marketing academy that's going to be able to help either a home health, home care, or hospice agency increase referrals, increase their census, and create a profitable company. Now, at this very moment, you're going to have access to these information through these training, marketing to physicians, how to get to hospitals, how to be able to get into nursing homes, and much, much more at a month-to-month basis with no contracts needed. It's just month to month. Now, guess what? We are offering you guys for a limited time 50% off any one of our plans. Just choose which one is going to be able to work better for you. So just stop by the 10xpatientreferrals.com at any given moment. So these are the plans that are available, whether it's the gold, the silver, or the platinum plan. Most people go for the gold plan, but it's up to you what's going to work for you. We definitely want to be able to have you come in and work with us. So here's two choices. Go to 10xpatientreferrals.com or click the link down below. Take advantage of this right now at this very moment and sign up with us.
This video is brought to you by MedicationReminderProgram.com. Are you trying to look for that one edge up to be able to get you more referrals or to get new referral sources? Well, that's MedicationReminderProgram.com. If you start offering this for your patients and future patients, you're going to be able to show future referral sources that you're doing something different, that you're providing better services than your competition. The Daily Reminder program goes like this. We will call the patients for you twice a day and remind them to take their medications at 9 o'clock in the morning and at 5 p.m. A top reason for hospitalization of seniors is not taking their medications. So what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be giving them comfort of mind, both family and referral sources. So sign up to MedicationReminderProgram.com right now. There's 3 packages available, but at the very same time right now with code 50 off, you can actually get 50% off our gold plan and the platinum plan. So just stop by MedicationReminderProgram.com and let us help you get more referrals. Let's go back to the video you're currently watching.